Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Lincoln Navigator key fob. Start by removing the emergency key from the fob using the release latch. Pry the case open gently with a small flat tool, keeping parts organized. Note the battery orientation and remove the old CR2032 cell carefully. Replace with the new CR2032. Press the case shut until it clicks, and test the buttons before reattaching the emergency key. In this video, I will show how to change battery in Lincoln Navigator key fob. Insert a thin pry tool into the seam and twist slowly to separate the halves without cracking plastic. Work on a soft surface so small components won't roll away, and note where each clip and spring sits. Take a clear photo if you think you might forget the order. This makes reassembly quick and stress-free. In this video, I will show how to change battery in Lincoln Navigator key fob. Use a non-metal tool or fingertip to lift the CR2032 from its holder, noting the positive side facing up. Place the new CR2032 into position and press until the metal clip secures it firmly. Align the case halves and snap them together evenly, then reinsert the emergency key and test the lock, unlock, and remote start functions for proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.